Hi, I'm Christina, and today I'm going to show you how to transpose rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So we'll put up a Microsoft Excel here. You can see I have some dummy data written out. So all you have to do is actually highlight all the things that you want it to be to transpose. Highlight it, right-click on it, click on Copy, and now outside of your selected area, select the random cell. So select this one, and gonna use the paste icon up here. So click on paste, and there's different special types of paste that you can do. So we're just gonna go ahead and use this one right here, which as you can see says transpose. So let's click on transpose, and now the new pasted items are transposed of the selected ones. So that is how you do it. Thank you so much for your time.